Yep, so what's up guys, my name is Siddharth and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let's talk about the Soundcore Live Q10 wireless Bluetooth headphones, and these retail for around 2000 Indian rupees. And in this video, I'll tell you whether or not you should invest in a cheap wireless headphones like the Soundcore Live Q10. And I've been using these for the last 10 days and I'll share the pros and cons and everything that I've felt in my experience. So I'll request you to watch this video till the end, and now without any further ado, let's get started guys. So first, let's just quickly talk about what all things you get in the box. So in the box, the first thing that you will get is the pair of headphones, obviously. Next is a charging cable that is Type-C, thank God. And the next is an aux cable which can be used to listen to music or stream media when the battery dies on these headphones. And apart from that, there comes usual documentation, a user manual, and just the security information. And now let's talk about the build quality. So the moment I took them out of the box, the first thing that I noticed is that the build is 100% plastic, and the plastic quality is not that bad, surprisingly. As you come to expect from a 2000 rupees headphones, the build quality is quite adequate, and the plastic is, I would say, to rank and to give it a relative comparison, the plastic is better as compared to the headphones that you get from Sony in the budget range that uses plastic of very low quality. But these Soundcore Live Q10 headphones use a quality which is much more polished and which feels premium. And now let's talk about the padding and cushioning that you get on the ear cups and the headband. So on the headband, I would say the cushioning is not that much. It is just sufficient that you don't feel the weight of these headphones, and the ear padding is quite enough. Like, you don't get to see red ears after using it for like more than 5 to 6 hours even. So the ear cushioning is soft and adequate, but the head cushion could have been improved, and this is some feedback which I would like to give. So overall, if you talk about the build quality from the plastics and the cushioning, it is adequate for the price and it is just right for the price, and I feel the build quality will not be a question in the long run too. So you can trust the build quality of these Soundcore headphones. And now let's talk about the sound quality guys. So sound quality is the most important thing about an audio product, and this is where these headphones shine. Like, right from the get-go, as you would pick up them and listen to your first song, these will not disappoint you and will blow your mind, and you'll forget that these cost just 2000 rupees. The price to performance ratio, I mean, with this sound quality just goes out of the roof. And like, the bass, the rhythm, and the lows and highs don't feel muddy as far as you go up to 80% of volume, and that comes with every other headphone. And the sound quality that these headphones provide at around 2000 rupees is just way ahead than its competitors. So I started testing these headphones with the songs like Blinding Lights and One Right Now from The Weeknd, and these were just sounding so good that I was surprised. And then I shifted to bass songs from like Roddy Ricch, The Box, or Travis Scott's Butterfly Effect, and that also just sounded so good. And not to forget that these come with the bass up equalizer, and that just enhances the bass way more, and it might also vibrate at around 90% of volume, so you might take care of that also. And the rhythmic sounds from Bollywood or from Ritviz just sound way sweeter and way more pleasant to the ears. And just all in all, I would like to conclude that if you are looking for the best sounding headphones at around 2000 rupees, look no further than these Soundcore Live Q10, and you will not at all be disappointed, trust me here. And now let's talk about the battery life, because if the sound quality is good, it better last long. So now let's talk about the battery life. So Anker, the manufacturer of these headphones, are well known for their power banks and charging solutions worldwide. And with the Soundcore brand, now that they have entered in the audio section, they are using their battery mastery and their charging solutions to the limits on their lineup of headphones. And this is an example of that these headphones last around 60 hours on a single charge. And that was the thing that caught my eye on the Flipkart product detail page, and that will lure me to order these. And I was surprised with the amount of battery backup that these headphones give. The day I received these headphones, they came at 80% of charge, and up till yesterday they lasted, like it was around 10 days, like 10 days into 5 hours of usage daily, like around 50 hours these headphones lasted from 80 to 20%. And you can imagine the insanity that it will give you from 100 to like dead 10% or 5% stage. So that is the amount of battery life. And the reason that this video got delayed was that only, like I was yet to test the limits of its battery. And the charging time is also not that much, like you get the quick charge support, 5 minutes of charge for like 5 hours of listening, and it takes around 2 hours and 2.5 hours to completely charge up to 100%. Like it charges to 80% fairly quickly, but to 100% it trickles charge and charges in around 150 minutes. So that is something that you need to take care of. But as far as the battery life concerned, the 60 hours is as promised, and it delivers on the 60 hours promise. And so battery life is not at all a thing that you need to worry about. And now let me conclude this review with the answer to the question, like should you buy these pair of headphones at around 2000 rupees? So if you are looking for a pair of headphones, pair of Bluetooth headphones at around 2000 rupees, then if you look at the price to performance ratio of the Soundcore Life Q10, then it is just straight up stupendous. And the two most important things which I feel are very necessary for an audio product to check is the sound quality, and if it is on Bluetooth or on a battery, then the battery life. The battery life and the sound quality just shines over its competition, and this is where these headphones feel so worthy. And 60 hours battery life is something which was unheard by me before these pair of headphones. It all boils down to whether or not you are comfortable with the slight heavy weight and slight or most of the plastic build. So if you are comfortable with that, then these headphones are a go-to recommendation from my side and are just A+ in terms of sound quality and battery life. So guys, that was all in this video. This was my review of the Soundcore Life Q10, and I hope I helped you in making a purchase decision, and I made my point clear by reviewing these headphones in depth. And if you still have any questions or queries, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out there. Until then, this was your host Siddharth. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.